If this video found you, there's a reason. There's something that you're supposed to know from Spirit. It found you for a reason. So just take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and we're going to trust what comes through. I only channel from the highest frequency of love and light. So this message is going to come through and give you something you need that's going to help you. So don't worry if you feel afraid. What do we have going on? What do we have going on that we need to know? The Knight of Pentacles. This is interesting energy because Knights are about energy coming in. I'm seeing the Four of Cups and the Eight of Cups. Ooh. Okay, here's what I'm feeling. The very first card that came out was the Seven of Swords. So with this, I feel like our energy has been very flighty. It's been very like, I'm going to fly away, but I'm going to come right back. I'm testing the waters. It's like, I'm going to fly a little bit, but I'm coming right back. And it's like, oh, it'd be fun to like fly as far as I can, but I can't really do that. Now, of course you can, but it's just a limiting belief that you have. So whatever you have that's holding you back, may it be responsibilities, you know, a job, children, whatever it is that's holding you back, you've been kind of like testing the waters. You're like, you leave a little bit, but you come back. Okay. So that's the first thing that I'm feeling. Now, out of nowhere, because I'm seeing the Four of Cups, I feel like this is almost like you're not focused on it anymore. And so then it comes. Like that always is what happens, right? Because we don't have any resistance anymore. It's able to come into our life easily. But I'm seeing the Four of Cups. I feel like it's going to be kind of like a surprise. Like it's going to come kind of out of left field. And I'm seeing the Knight of Pentacles. So yeah, and this just feels like a hell of a lot of happiness. Knights are about energy coming in. The Pentacles, it's making me feel like this is something solid, secure. It's here to stay. It's here to stay, and it's going to make you happy. So what do we do now? Well, Eight of Cups. This is saying that we cannot stay in this situation anymore. It's time to leave. So it's like we've been flying, coming back, flying, coming back. And this is saying this new thing is going to come into your life, and it's going to give you that final bit of courage to actually leave, okay? It's going to give you that last bit of courage to like, actually, I just picked up the deck, and underneath it was the Ace of Pentacles. So this is your new beginning. This is your new chance. This is life looking at the other side of the coin. Aces are about new beginnings, so I can't even imagine a better card to come out at this point in time. Right after we have the Eight of Cups saying you have to leave something, this is your new beginning. And the Pentacles sticking out to me because the Knight of Pentacles is what came out, right? So we have a matching energy here. So it's saying this Knight energy coming in, this energy coming in is going to be your new beginning. This is the new beginning. Okay? What's underneath it though was the King of Swords. And I almost feel like this is not one person's energy. I'm feeling two people's energy. I do feel two people's energy, but we have the Three of Wands underneath it. So I feel like, you know, what are you going to do? You're not ready to quite leave yet. Yeah, what are we going to do? The Two of Swords. We don't know what to do. We're procrastinating, deciding what to do. Eight of Pentacles. August might be a very significant month for you, or it was, or will be. I'm seeing like some eights sticking out in your reading. Yeah, I feel the Fool. The Fool. You don't know what you're doing, but it's going to be better than... It's going to be better. You don't know what you're doing. I feel like it's kind of like you're ready to fly away, and it's like, oh my gosh, freedom. What do I do? I don't even know what to do with myself because I'm not used to like having this amount of freedom. There could be like levels of freedoms that you never had. Okay. And then the Knight of Cups came in. That's just a reminder. It's like, yeah, this is new energy, but it's going to be good for you. Like you experiencing this freedom is what your soul needs because you've been contained for too long. It's time. And I feel like this is all going to happen out of the blue because the Tower card came out. You're not expecting this. This is just going to be like out of left field, like I said at the beginning. You don't have any idea this is all around the corner for you. Two of Wands. Yeah, this is right on time because the Two of Swords just came out saying you're going to have to decide. You're going to have to decide. The High Priestess, you'll know when the time's right because it's the High Priestess. Follow your intuition on this one.